G'day guys, how you going? Hope you're doing well. My name is Sean and I make videos about tech, and today we're going to be talking about the Thermaltake Level 20 ambidextrous RGB gaming mouse. So if you like this video, chuck it a like. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that. It's @Technology_Australia. And if you want to ask me anything, you can do that on the live streams every Thursday and Saturday over on YouTube. So now that's all said and done, let's begin. Alrighty, so as mentioned, we're talking about the Thermaltake Level 20 GT RGB gaming mouse. This is an ambidextrous gaming mouse, so what that means is if you're left-handed or right-handed, it will suit you perfectly fine. There's no real change in the design from one side to the other. It's completely symmetrical. So quickly going over this mouse, you've got some RGB lighting, obviously, as you can see, and you can change the zones and change what the lighting is or what it does in the Thermaltake software, which is available to download from the website. But something that I did notice on the Thermaltake website is that this is their only gaming mouse. So I have to assume that this is their first attempt. So I'm not trying to be too harsh. This is just going to be my thoughts and opinions on my few weeks using the product. As far as the design, you've got some, nice textured grooves here on either side for your thumb to sort of rest in and you can grab onto. In terms of the weight, it weighs probably about 100 grams. I actually haven't weighed it, but it definitely is a little bit heavier than my Logitech G Pro, which is about 83 grams. But it is a corded mouse as well. So this just has a nice simple USB cable that is braided going into your PC. The little left and right clicks are OMRON switches or OMRON buttons under the actual left and right click, so they do feel quite nice, and the sensor is quite responsive, and you can change the DPI setting to the profile that you'd like using their software. So overall, product is quite solid. The opportunities for this particular product for me and what I found personally is that I was holding this mouse a lot. I'm a right-handed player, and what was happening was my ring finger on the right-hand side was always unintentionally clicking the forward and back buttons on the right-hand side. So if you're a left-handed player, that might mean that your ring finger is clicking on the left-hand side, and when you're in a game and you're trying to shoot or you're trying to throw a grenade or whatever you're trying to do, you might even just be editing something in like Adobe Premiere and you've got some key shortcuts set up, and if you're unintentionally squeezing and gripping the mouse and then your ring finger is pressing that button, that can be quite annoying and quite frustrating. And I definitely found myself getting frustrated at times when I was playing a game and I was squeezing and clicking and then I would unintentionally press this button. I did disable in the software what they did, so it didn't really have any repercussions, but it kind of just threw me off that when I was pressing the back button on the left side, I was actually squeezing on the right hand side, and that could just be me. You guys might not have the same problem. Everyone's hands operate a little bit differently, and if you've got a different size hand, that might be a factor as well. But overall, the mouse was accurate. I didn't have any issues with the accuracy. The acceleration was balanced and it felt really nice. So would I recommend this product to you for a gaming mouse? Definitely. Only thing that I would, critique was the positioning of the buttons. I feel like maybe next time they need to have these buttons able to be removed so they can just be a flat side, like what some of the Logitech gaming mouse allow you to do. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks to Thermaltake for sending this mouse over to me. I've been getting a lot of products from Logitech lately, and so I apologize for that. Hopefully you guys don't mind, and I'll see you in the next video.